Eth.link restored after Ethereum name service wins injunction against GoDaddy. The company behind the Web3 domain service and Virgil Griffith sued GoDaddy earlier this month, alleging the domain registration platform falsely announced Eth.link had expired, and then sold it to a third party. The website for the Ethereum name service, ENS, which is behind all web addresses that end with Eth used across the Ethereum community, is back online after losing its domain name Eth.link to a third party earlier this year. Eth.link functioned as a critical bridge that allowed users without Web3-enabled internet browsers to access Eth addresses. ENS had around 2 million domain name registrations as of August 17. True Names Limited, the company that created ENS, sued GoDaddy, GDDY, in early September, alleging the domain registration platform had incorrectly told Eth.link users that the address registration had expired and that GoDaddy had later sold the rights to the domain to a Web3 startup before it was supposed to be available for repurchase. ENS Domains announced on Twitter late Sunday that Eth.link was back online and that users are welcome to resume using the service. In a complaint filed against GoDaddy in the U.S. District Court for the District of Arizona, True Names said the Eth.link registration was set to expire on July 26, 2023. But in August this year, GoDaddy had incorrectly announced it had expired on July 26, 2022. The filing said. The complaint also said the domain was then sold to Web3 startup Manifold Finance on September 3, 2 days before. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.